So hello and welcome to my presentation for the LLM Engineering cohort number 2. And today I will explain my project is a Catalan Customer Service. And what about Catalan? Catalan is the main language of Andorra, my country. I live in Andorra. This is the capital. As you see, it's not very big. Andorra has a population of 70,000 people. That's a few people just, and it's a country between Spain and France. You can see in the map in the left corner, and the main language is speak in Andorra. It's Catalan and Spanish, but we try to all speak in Catalan. So, um, but why Catalan? Because in Andorra, Catalan is the main language, is the national identity. We try to speak it always, and in the recent innovations like ChatGPT and other recent models like Mixtral and others, we saw that LLMs struggle with Catalan. They often make mistakes, spelling mistakes, and or they mix it with others Latin languages like Italian, French, or some. So we wanted to create an LLM specifically to train to excel in responding to customer service because nowadays chatbots are main projects for a lot of companies in in my country. So beyond improving the customer service, this project also contributes to the preservation of the promotion and of the Catalan language and reinforcement to the importance in the digital age. So we started searching for a data set. We found this data set is a BTEX customer support chatbot training data set. It's in English. It has 26,000 question and answers in English, and it's about all of verticals: automotive, banking, healthcare, and etc. So we can train with this dataset, but this dataset is in English. We needed to get it in Catalan. So we used a translation model, or a neural machine translation model, to translate this dataset from English to Catalan. After that, we get the dataset. We started to search a model mainly trained in Catalan to fine tuning to the customer service excellence. So we found Project Aina. Project Aina is a project launched in 2020 by Barcelona Supercomputing Center, and it's an initiative of artificial intelligence focused on maintaining Catalan, so in the digital age. Models developed in the project Aina are open source and available for use in business and organizations. So we can use for our projects and to deploy to other companies. The main project of this project is the floor model. It's his two biggest models is floor 1.3 billion and the floor 6.3 billion. I know that nowadays these two models can be small if we compare to other models. But if we take the corpus in Catalan, 6.3 billions is a lot of context. So this model, it's trained in Catalan, Spanish, and English, mainly in Catalan. And it's a derivation from the large models Bloom. And it's suitable for casual language modeling, text generation, and it's fine-tunable. So we can fine-tune this model to get a better response. So we did it. We take our data set, we fine-tuned the smaller model from Floor, and we aimed to provide contextually relevant responses in Catalan with the customer service translated dataset. And in the finish of the project, we also tried RAG, introducing a simulation of reading documents with LangChain. RAG is you can add some documentation to your inference, and you can get more relevance in your questions and answers. So I can show you the notebooks. This is the main data set, not translated. You can see it's a lot of rows. Then we use this code to translate. It's very easy to understand. So we use this neural model to translate the model to the data set to Catalan, and we push it to the hub. Then we fine-tuned the model floor to achieve more customer service relevance and acceleration to the response. Then we loaded the data set, we curated them, we generate a response, we prepare the prompt, and finally at the end, we merged the model and we push it to the hub. But that's the result, the testing for the customer service fine-tune. We use it a prompt, it's at the start of text, instruction, constant, and answer. And we make it a question, how we can access to our bill. This is the translation in Catalan, com puc accedir a la meva factura. And there it is. The question is pretty well before. We try it here after before doing the training. We try it the same question before the training, and the response is not good. So the fine tuning it's going well. Then we use it LangChain and the RAG to achieve more pairing with with our company. I simulated a data set of documentation. You can see it here. It's just an array of strings, just not to read. You don't want it to go to read some documents. So just we created an array of strings, and we also did the prompt, and we executed the question and answer. But it's going well. So the products are. This is the question is, what's the more important products in your company? Well, and this is the answer. The answer is good. And also with what's the strategy? What the strategy is implementing your company in sustainability? And the answer is good. So we took a small model, we fine-tuned it with a small data set, and the fine-tuning goes well. To finish my presentation, future work, we want to implement this model to Catalan-based companies in Andorra and Catalonia. We want also to enhance the data set for a better translation and use another model, because this translation model is not as good as we wanted, but it was more fast than others we tried it. Then we want also to explore other advanced techniques and training optimization to get and improve to the model efficiency. And we want also to promote the adaptation of the model to different data sets and add more data sets to the model. Thank you very much, LLM2 Core, to make me share my project, and nice to see you.